What's up everyone, welcome to this video. In this video I will show you how to enable or disable scan QR code in camera in Galaxy S25 Ultra. So first of all, open camera. Now after opening the camera, click on this settings icon. Now here in camera settings you will see a scan QR code button. So if you want to disable scan QR code in camera, then turn off this button, and if you want to enable scan QR code in camera, then tap on this button again to turn it back on. So after turning on this button, you can scan a QR code with your camera. So when you will scan a QR code, it will show you the link of that QR code on the screen. So that's how you can enable or disable scan QR code in camera in Galaxy S25 Ultra. So I hope you liked the video. Thanks for watching.